Hey guys, welcome back to Pure Science Education, and today we're looking at a formula on charge. Charge is equal to current multiplied by time. Right, as you can see, the units are here. So charge is measured in coulombs, which is represented by capital C. I is measured with current, which is measured in amps, and time in seconds. So if the time is not in second in the exam and in minutes, so make sure you change it, and you know that there are 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you will have to just do the conversion in your exam. I've rewritten the formulas. Q is I times T, which is current times time. If I was to work out my current, I need to do charge divided by time. And if I was working at time, then it would be charge divided by your current. So you just got to put the formula into a triangle. It works really easily for you. As you can see, you're multiplying and dividing units. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.